Here is the new arrival from the Hardoll range of solar light. It's a solar pillar lamp. The box shows all the specifications of the light. Now let's unbox it. This part of the light shows the brand name. Here is the user manual. The user manual shows all details regarding the light, including how to fix the lamp, what are the different color modes, warranty details. These are the screws. We have 3 screws for this light. Here comes the light. This light is wrapped in a plastic cover so that there will be no scratches on it. Remove this disc-shaped portion from the light. This is used to attach the light onto the pillar. This might sometimes come inside the box as a loose piece. Here is the panel. It's a bigger panel compared to the other lights. Let's see the different parts of the light and how to assemble them. This is the light. These are the parts with which you fix the light to the pillar. Just need to tighten them up. The disc-shaped portion. Yes, the light is now assembled. You need to keep it on the pillar and insert screws here. Now let's see the operation of the light. Here is the on-off switch and the switch with which you change the modes. Press it once, the light turns on with a cool white color. Press it again, you get a warm white color. On the third press, you get a white color. And the fourth press turns off the light. Here are the lights with all the 3 different color modes. We have preset the color modes for each light. Here's the first cool white color, the warm white color, and the white color.